Hello, my name is Georgia O'Brien, and I'm going to be informing you about the importance of technology for 21st century learners. Technology is universal and ever so rapidly evolving. Therefore, the role of technology in education is vital. Properly used technology will help students acquire the skills that they need to survive in a complex, highly technological, knowledge-based society. Technology is a vital part of our modern world. We use it in our homes, in the workplace, and in our schools. As a result, we as educators are in the midst of some exciting changes as to how to implement these technologies. With the increased use of technology, more class time can be used for discovery, collaboration, and creation, which are shown to enhance student learning and engagement. I believe that by actively using ICT within the classroom, it opens up opportunities for learning because it enables students to access, extend, transform, and share their ideas and information in a multimodal communication style and format. The 4 softwares that I'll be introducing to you are Comic Life, Prezi, Wordle, and Photour. I'll be informing you about their uses within the classroom setting, their links to the curriculum, and their benefits for students. Comic Life is a great tool to use in the classroom and is very user-friendly. There are various uses for this program that go beyond the title. This program allows the students to use their creativity in order to present their work in various ways, such as comics, articles, and storyboards. Comic Life can be used for the junior years, as they may have limited language skills and can choose pictures that will portray what they are trying to say. The teacher is then able to work with the students individually to construct sentences. This use of the program links into the Australian curriculum in Year 1 under Literature, which states that students are to recreate texts imaginatively using drawing, writing, performance, and digital forms of communication. One of the benefits of using this program is that it is very accessible via the Comic Life app, and it is able to be scaffolded to the user's abilities. This program enables various learning styles to be catered for, as visual learners are given the opportunity to create comics, whereas other students may like to create articles or storyboards to support their learning. On my most recent placement in Years 5 and 6, the students were learning about angles as a part of their mathematics curriculum. After their lesson, they had to reflect on what they had learnt by creating a Comic Life poster which demonstrated their knowledge of angles. Prezi was the second program that I looked at for use in the classroom. This program is an updated version of PowerPoint and allows the user to develop a professional presentation. Students may need initial guidance of how to locate different settings in the program, however overall it is very user-friendly. I've used Prezi many times throughout my university degree, and the most common use of this program was to summarise my research of a topic to present to my tutorial groups. This is one example of my Prezi that I've presented for a group presentation. By including words on the slides, I've catered for individuals who may not be strong auditory learners so that they were still able to actively participate in my presentation. In the classroom, Prezi can be a very useful tool in order to introduce a topic and allows the students to follow along with each slide and be engaged by different types of multimedia, such as YouTube clips. I found the students on my placement love creating quizzes on this program that they have used within an integrated studies unit of work. Prezi allows for individuals to access this tool not only during school time but also at home, as it is accessible through the internet. Wordle is the third program that I researched and allows users to create word clouds on various topics with repeated words emphasized to highlight a key idea. By showing important points in a visual manner, it makes this program beneficial to visual learners. Students are able to easily navigate the Wordle site in order to create word clouds for brainstorms, reports on book characters, and the like. Wordle can be linked to any curriculum area, as it is a cohesive way for students to show their ideas on a topic learnt, which leads to a deeper understanding. By creating these word clouds as a group, it visually shows all of the class's ideas in a cohesive way. This Wordle was an example that the class came up with after reading the first chapter of A Diary of a Wimpy Kid in Years 5 and 6. The aim of this was for the students to state all of the characters that had been introduced. They then used the allocated weighting setting to say who had been mentioned the most throughout the section of the text. This program could also be used as a comparison for different topics such as science, humanities and mathematics to show students how various ideas are linked or are different from one another. Photour is a program that allows the user to change an existing photo to add different filters and create photo collages. This program would need initial guidance for students to use, however it is very user-friendly. Photour could be used to have students recount their experiences on different incursions or excursions in school, as they are able to change the visual to reflect their learning experiences. This is an example of a school excursion collage that could be used in the classroom. This is a very personal piece of multimedia text that can be used as a prompt for writing. The benefits of this is that if a student is having difficulty finding a starting point for their writing, the photo can be used as a stimulus to help them jog their memory of a particular event. PhoTour could be used in the classroom by allowing the students the opportunity to take their own photographs and use this tool in order to create their own collages by changing their originals into something different. This teaches them the properties that make up a photo and allows them to have a hands-on experience in learning this. I believe that these 4 softwares are great resources to use within the classroom as they are easily accessible and user-friendly for all year levels. This research has shown me that there are still many things to learn about technology before I'm able to implement it successfully into my classroom.